If you're running a growing business or trying to launch the next big thing and your brand doesn't match the vision of where you're taking the business, this is for you. I'm going to take you through how to get clear on what your brand actually needs without wasting months of time or making the wrong investment. Because most founders hit a point where things stop feeling so simple. They're doing all the right things, but there's still friction. Momentum isn't coming as fast as it usually does. The business is growing, but the brand is starting to fall behind. You're explaining what you do differently every time. Your team doesn't feel aligned. Marketing isn't working as well as it should. Inconsistency is everywhere, and even though things might be working, it just feels harder than it should. What you actually want is pretty simple. You're looking for a brand that's clear, easy to explain, easy to understand, and inviting to the customers that you want to attract to your business. Something that sparks excitement in you and your team and fuels where you're going next. I'm Maxwell Billings. I've been running a branding studio, working with founders, entrepreneurs, and leaders, and there's a common pattern among all of them that keeps coming up. Really strong businesses were held back by unclear brands, not because they weren't good, but because things weren't in sync. So we built a way to fix that through a focused brand sprint. It's designed to take everything that feels unclear and messy and transform it into a brand that feels focused, simple, aligned, and ready to move fast. Most branding projects start with design and end up dragging on. But when you fix clarity first, everything else moves faster. Teams get aligned, leadership locks in, branding finally gets implemented and starts driving business value. We've seen founders go from stuck in second guessing to clear and moving in a matter of weeks. The way we do this is incredibly simple through 3 easy steps. Step 1, focus. We discuss your brand, your vision, what should stay, and what shouldn't, giving our team clarity and a chance for us to exchange your wisdom. Step 2, design. We bring in our voice and visual storytelling to provide clear directions on how things should move forward. Step 3, activation. We bring all that to life through experiences and touch points that actually move the needle for your business out in the real world. And all of this starts with a brand vision call for us to understand more about your unique situation. So if your business has evolved and your brand hasn't kept up, this is where we start to fix that. If it's a fit, we'll talk to you about the next step. If not, you're still going to lead with the direction that we discussed. You can book your brand vision call below. We keep things limited so that we can stay focused on each individual brand. I'll talk to you soon.